What's your glitches? So I think the biggest story right now in crypto, at least for me, is the fact that the SEC is pursuing the Ethereum Foundation with a view to classifying Ethereum as a security, or potentially more likely classifying staking as a security. But I doubt very much if they'll actually pursue the real fraud, which is the Ethereum ICO, because of the tangled web of corruption that will open up. So they're probably going to go for the simple option of trying to declare Ethereum a security, or more probably, I think, staking, because staking has far bigger reach. If you can declare staking of digital assets as a security, then you can go after pretty much the whole of DeFi and everything that's been created in by Ethereum and the other EVM chains and other chains that allow staking to occur. So it's a bigger prize than simply calling Ethereum a security. And I think people should be taking this seriously. Why hasn't the price of Ethereum dropped precipitously as we saw with XRP a few days before Christmas a couple of years ago, when Jay Clayton, on his last day at work, decided to drop a bombshell on everyone and start a case against Ripple? Well, simply because that the case hasn't been dropped yet. There are reports that subpoenas have been issued to a number of organizations, and this is what has led to the speculation that the SEC is serious about pursuing this. So who should care about this? Because nothing's happened to the price, and now we have some precedents in the law around XRP. So Ethereum holders are perfectly safe, right? Absolutely no one cares. Well, let me tell you right now, if you're not seriously concerned about the price of the Ethereum that you hold, then you probably should be. And let me give you my experience of not only having gone through the SEC versus Ripple case as an XRP holder, but having worked for a wallet which is a regulated digital crypto asset business in the UK when that process happened, when we saw the delisting of XRP from a myriad of exchanges, immediate precipitous loss in price. I think it was something like 60 cents to 17 cents. If you think that's not going to happen to Ethereum, I would seriously consider evaluating your analysis, because let me tell you why that would happen. Well, there is and I've said this before in spaces, and people either look at you as if you've it's like talking to a dog that has just been shown a card trick. It's like, huh? What's going on there? It's like they have no awareness of it, which is quite frightening in a weird way. If you are a company or an institution holding Ethereum and potentially participating in the staking of Ethereum, so if you're a custodian of Ethereum for your customers, or you facilitate their staking, you have a fiduciary responsibility to those customers. And what does that mean? Well, essentially, one of the things you want to do is actually protect your own back. There are chief legal officers, chief financial officers, compliance officers, who, if they don't react in some form or fashion to a case being bought by the SEC to, I don't know, delist those assets, return customer assets to self-custody, stop trading in those assets, stop offering services around staking. If they don't take that action and something does happen to the price of Ethereum, then the customers can sue the hell out of them. And I was working in as I said, a regulated wallet crypto asset business in the UK. And I remember having a stand-up row with our legal officers around their treatment of XRP. I can tell you these people in these companies are, the fiduciary responsibility to their customers is one thing. Covering their own backs from being sued to hell by their customers and the SEC is quite another. And even if you're the, CCP backing most of these Ethereum kind of, holding most of the Ethereum, even if you're the CCP, there's probably good reason to be concerned that you can't control every chief financial officer, every chief legal officer in every company that's involved in Ethereum. So yeah, maybe I'm overreacting. Maybe if tomorrow a case is formally brought against the Ethereum Foundation and staking, nothing will happen to the price of Ethereum and it won't drop precipitously like 80% in the space of a few hours. Maybe that won't happen. Do you want to really take that risk? I don't know. I just think people aren't paying that much attention to this. So have a think about it. Go and have a look at what's happened previously when the SEC has brought a case against any crypto in the past to the price action of that crypto.